See, just got out of work. That's what I do. I turn my air on, I turn the rear on, cool it down. My van is ready to be converted to a camper van. Airflow. Cools this van down in no time. It's a good idea with the rear airflow kit. Two, it's moldy. To turn on the rear air, or front and rear, cool it down. Takes about 5 minutes to cool it down, and then turn it to 3/4, because the slower the air moves over the evaporator, the colder the air. So you don't need to blast it all the time. So you just to cool the van down, that's what I do. Do whatever you want, but then I just leave it like that. And once the van's cold, it's, then the air comes out colder. Another thing too, I might as well mention now. See these moldings that everybody adds silicone to? There's no need to do that. If your moldings are falling off here, you're weather stripping, see that? There's a metal channel in there. You crush it. You go all the way around and you crush it, see? And it makes it tight, and it fits tight on there. So you don't have to add silicone for your rubber weather strip moldings, door moldings. On all the doors has a metal channel inside the rubber. So I thought I'd mention that. A few little tips, Nissan NV tips. So, okay folks, feels so good to get in a nice cold vehicle when I get out of work. I've been sweating like a dog in a hot warehouse all day. Even though I have air conditioning and dehumidifiers, still don't keep up. Okay folks, have a good weekend.